you. Do 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 do. Animals are here for you. Do 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 do. Giraffes are tall, their necks reach high. Baby shark says wow as they touch the sky. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. They laugh and play so wild and free. Penguins waddle in the cold. They slide and splash so brave and bold. Lions roar with might and might. Baby shark jumps at the fright. Elephants spray with trunks so long. Baby shark sings a silly song. Parrots talk and colors shine. They flap their wings in a flying line. Flamingos balance on one pink leg. Baby shark says, "Can I try?" and begs. Frogs and bugs leap all around in rainforest homes where bugs are found. Hippos yawn and splash in mud. Baby shark jumps with a joyful thud. Zebras trot with stripes so neat. They dance along on happy feet. Kangaroos bounce, hop, hop, hop. Baby shark joins in and doesn't stop. Snakes slither in a sneaky way. Baby shark giggles and runs away. Gorillas beat their chests so strong. Baby shark drums and hums along. Eagles glide way up high. Baby shark waves as they fly by. Peacocks fan their feathers wide. Baby shark claps full of pride. Crocodiles smile in the stream with shiny teeth that really gleam. Baby shark learns animals need care. Protect their homes everywhere. Cleaning up the zoo is fun. Picking trash with everyone. Waving goodbye to every friend. But baby shark says, "I'll come again."